This
audible,
conference
ma'am.
will now. Ah, what about the
Voice is
screen?
audible, ma'am,
Screen
but
is
low. Screen is
slow.
visible, ma'am.
Screen is visible,
Low,
no?
low, like, yes, ma'am, screen is visible.
Now is it okay? Voice
Yes,
is
ma'am.
clear, is there? Excel screen is visible, girls. Excel screen is visible, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me from where I should start the topic. Duplicate unique values completed, I think. I completed, no? This all the topics in the yesterday's class. Till duplicate unique values done, no? In the conditional formatting. So the next one, top bottom rules. So we need to select all six subjects again. All six subject marks we have to select it. Click on conditional formatting. Here the what is the condition here? Top bottom rules. In that I am going to take here top 10 items. Just click on that, girls. See here it is highlighted top values. Highest values are highlighted. Okay. If I increase this value, here 10 is there now. If I increase this value, it will be going to increase, what is that, 80s, 85. Also it will be going to highlight. See, if I keep on increasing, there also it will be going to highlight 70, 75 also it will be going to take. See, 78, 78 is also highest, but I don't want that. So I'll be going to reduce the value of this value. If I do like that, so here, see, who is that one person got highest marks? Who is that fellow? Tell me. Who is that person? Kumari.
Kumari.
Kumari. Kumari is the highest in the class. Toppest value, 98 she got. Anyone got like that? The marks 98. In Hindi she got 98. Any others scored the 98 marks? No one. Okay. So just little more I'll increase. See. After that 98, 96. So many 96, so many people are scored. Anusha, Meera, Shivakumar, Vinod, like that. Again increase this value ma. 3. See 95, 89. So I'll take 10 here. For the 10 value, so many cells are highlighted. These values are highest one. Okay. Nearest to the 100 marks. Nearest to the 100 marks. But I don't want this format. I don't want this color. So I should change the color. Yellow, green is there. Light red fill is there. But I don't want these things. I had to go for the custom format. Click on custom format here. Custom format. Go to the font color. I'm going to choose the white color, the white one. Font color white, bold. I'll take. Then cell color. Go to the fill effects. Here I'll take two color combination colors from center. This pattern I want. Click on OK. Click on OK. See, yeah. Seagulls, wherever the blue shading is there, no, that values are highest, top best value. Okay, right? Next one. Are you understanding, girls? Are you understanding, ma? Yes or no? At least you should answer. The next one, again, six subjects, all six subject we need to select. So we had to go for the Bottom 10 items is the no lowest value. I should be find out here bottom value. Okay, lowest value. Just click on here. Seagulls. Actually, 40 is also highlighted. See here, 40 is also highlighted. Actually, 40 is the passing marks, no? 35 is the passing marks actually. So less than 35, it is lowest. But I, I want to increase this value or I want to decrease the value. Tell me, any one of you. What should I want to do, girls? Here, 40 is highlighted. I don't want to highlight the 40. Then what should I want to do? I want to increase the value or I don't want I want to decrease the value. What should I want to do, girls? Increase or decrease of the value of this? If I increase 44, 50, 60 is also will be going to take as bottom. So what should I want to do means I should be decrease this. See, now the 40 value is not highlighted. Okay. And then I want to apply some different format. Go to the custom format, select the color whichever you want, click on OK, click on OK. See, 23, 24, 20s, 32, that all the things are lowest marks. And then girls, I should be find out the highest percentage, top percentage. Okay. ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? So now I should select the percentage, select this one, the percentage, conditional formatting, top bottom rules. Click on here, top 10 percentage is there, you click on this. Seagulls, who is the highest percentage got in the class? Who is highest percentage in the class? Vinod is the highest percentage, 85. Okay, but I don't want this color. I'll go for green or I'll go for yellow. Click on OK. This is what highest percentage. Next one, you have to select this percentage column, conditional formatting. Then I should go for bottom 10 percentage. If I increase this value, second highest it will be going to take. Actually, 59, 59, same percentage only, no? So why it is highlight? Why it is taking now? Why earlier it is not highlighted both the percentage at a time? Can you find out and tell me, any one of you? See here, if I decrease this value, now it is showing only the Mira. The Mira is the Mira, how much she got? 59%. Even Vinod is also got score how much? 59%. But if I increase the value, then it will be going to take Vinay. Otherwise, it will not take. So what is the difference of Vinay and then Mira? Answer to my question. Find out and tell me. Girls, you should respond, ma. If I ask anything, you have to answer. Tell me what is the difference of Mira and then Vinay marks. Both the percentage are same. Mira and Vinay got it both same percentage. You have to see the average here. Mira's average is how much? 58.5. And then Vinay average is how much? 58.6. So can you tell me the average lowest average here? 58.5 is the lowest. After that 58.6. 58.6 is the second lowest. So I want only one person, that is Meera. So Meera is the first lowest value, lowest percentage she scored. Okay, 59%. Even Vinay is also 59, but you have to see the average. See 1 point from the 1 point, the difference is there. Okay, the next one above average, you have to select the average, and then you have to go for above average. See, I'll take it here, green color, click on OK. Wherever green is there, that is what highest average. You have to select this. Now should we find out the lowest average, below average? You have to click on below average. Click on OK. See, wherever red is there, which values that is below average values. Here above average, in this table below average. Come to the next one, girls, data bars. So you have to select the all six subjects again. Conditional formatting, data bars, gradient fill. Now I'll take gradient means you people having shading color. Shading is there. If you go for the solid color, then it will be one color, plain color you have. Okay. Then I'll be going to select as gradient. You have to change the alignment, ma. The bar, the graph aligned to the left side, so you have to apply left alignment. Apply left alignment like this. Left alignment. Okay. This is what the gradient. There will be shadings. So how we are going to find out highest and lowest of this for this table? From the graph. If the graph is filled cell for the fully it is filled, then it you have to treat as it is highest. If it is not filled properly, that is below, means low. If it is halfly filled, half of the cell if it is filled, then it is average like that. It is showing like graph. Okay. Now I should apply for this table solid fill. You should select it all six subjects again. I'm going to take here pink only, and then alignment I'm going to make it as left. The graph is aligned to the left side. That's why the values also it's showing in left side. In case if you don't want this color, you can go for more colors. So first you clear this, clear the rules from selected cells. Again conditional formatting, data bars. You have to go for girls more rules. Click on more rules, ma. Okay. See, I'm going to take yellow border colors, solid border. I'll be going to take pink border, and then I'm going to take the direction of the graph right to left. Select this right to left. Click on OK. Now the text should be aligned towards the right side. Apply right alignment. See girls, now how it's showing for you. This is solid color. Pink border is applied, and then text is right side. See, like this also we can do it. The next one, color scales. You have to select all six subjects. Conditional formatting, color scales. So here any one of the pattern you select it. The first one I'm going to selecting here. So how you are going to find out here? The green shows you highest, the red shows you lowest, the wherever yellow is there that is lowest. Okay. The now I don't want this type of colors. I don't want this type of colors. I want to prepare myself. Then where should I want to go? Go to more rules. Here two color scale is there, but I don't want two color scale. I should select it as three color. Click on three color scale. For the minimum, for the lowest, I'll be going to take pink. So for the average, I'll select it as orange. For the highest value, I'm going to take blue. The pink indicates lowest, orange indicates average, the blue indicates highest. Click on OK. See girls, the which color, whichever the colors we have selected, according to that it is highlighted. Pink shows you lowest, and orange shows you average. The blue indicating highest. Girls, are you understanding? You should yes or no, ma. I want answer from your side. Are you understanding, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next concept, icon sets, mom. The heading is what? Icon sets. So now you have to select all six subjects again. Conditional formatting, icon sets. Here arrows, directionals are there. So four arrows is there, three arrows, five arrows is there. So you select it whichever you want. The first one I am going to select here, and then alignment. The icons are, it is in left side, so that's why you also align to the left side only. So wherever up arrow is there, that shows you highest. Down arrow, red arrow, lowest. Yellow color, right side it is showing, no, that is average. One more directional icon you apply it ma for this table. Select this data, go to the again icons, it's three arrows already we have selected, no, I'll take this type of arrow, gray color arrow. Five arrows are there, no, that one I'll select it, and then change the alignment to the left side. See, straight arrow highest, slightly to the up, straight for the what is that, slightly it is upward is there, no, that is also nearest to the highest. Slightly if it is down is there, that is nearest to the low value, okay, like that. See, arrows, from the arrows we can find out highest, lowest, and then average. The now we need to apply shapes. Same conditional formatting. See, there are shapes, are traffic lights are there, you can take this, or you can whichever you want you can take. So here I'm going to take three traffic lights. The green, apply the left alignment. See now, green light indicating highest, red light indicating lowest, orange indicating average. Okay. The next one, shapes only, but I am taking the different pattern. Same thing only, I am not selecting, I am taking the different one. Already we have taken three traffic lights. No, I'll take the another one. See, just apply the left alignment. So what is that black color shows you? The black color is what? The black color shape. The black indicating lowest, the red indicating highest, the peach color indicating average. Like that you should. Gray also average. The next one, indicator I want to apply, girls. Select all subjects, six subjects again. See, the flag is there, or like this it is there, whichever you want to select. Flag one I'll take. Alignment should be left. See, red flag lowest, green flag highest, yellow flag average. The now again six subjects. Oh, what is that next one? Indicators only. I'm taking this one. Okay, three symbols uncircled. Okay, you take it that and then apply the left alignment. Wherever tick is there, highest. Wherever into is there, lowest. Wherever exclamatory mark is there, that is what average. Come to the next. Ratings I want to apply for this table. Select it and then go to the conditional formatting. See, ratings. Full star is there, that is highest. Empty stars, that is lowest. Off filled stars, average. Full moon, off moon, quarter moon is there. You can take that checker box. Signals. If you have the full of signal, then that is highest. Off of the signal shows you average. Empty signal, lowest. Like that. Okay. So I'm going to take this star and then apply the which alignment? The left alignment. Okay. Then take another table. You select all six subjects. So you have to go for icon sets and then take the signal. Five signals are there, no? Five rating signals. Take that and then apply left alignment. If you have full of signal, highest one. Understood the concept, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. You have to copy down this new rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to be format. Copy down this heading ma in your book. Write the main heading, new rule, subheading, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Note down this one in your book or somewhere. Done. Have you note down? No. So the points you have to be right. Is even formula. The topic is what in that, in the new rule under the topic, and you have to is even formula, is odd formula. Please note down this topic
Ma'am,
names.
1 minute, ma'am. We are noting down.
Uh-huh. Done ma. The main heading, new rule, subheading, use a formula to the determine which cells to format. In that topics are is even formula, is odd formula, is even formula, is odd formula. ఇంతనా? See girls, I should be highlight here even marks, even values like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, like that. The even values, even marks I want to highlight. I don't know whoever got even marks. You had to select all 6 subject. Conditional formatting. We had to go for new rule. Next topic is new rule in the conditional format. You can note down the steps. You can write down the steps. Click on New Rule. The last option, use a formula to determine which cells to format. You have to click on this. Here there is a rectangular box is there. No? There you have to type the formula. E equals E is even. What's the formula? E is even. Open the bracket. E is even. Open the bracket. So here you have to, in this table, which cell is the first cell? 74 is the first cell. Okay. In the marks, in the values, which is the first value, which is the first value in that, in this table? 74 is the first value. You have to select what? 74 first value. Come back, close the bracket, close the bracket girls, and then here dollar is there. You have to click and then you have to use backspace. You have to remove this dollar symbol, press the backspace. Again you have to click here and then use the backspace. Okay, you shouldn't keep the dollar here. You have to remove the dollar symbol. Click on format, apply the color. So for example blue. The font color should be white. Make it bold. Click on OK. Again OK. Sorry, I think I selected italic style. See here I'm going to change the marks to the 5. 5 if I give, it will not highlight. 3 if I give, it will not highlight. 9 if I give, it will not highlight, because those values are 5, 3, 9 are odd numbers. Wherever even values are there, automatically it will be going to highlight girls. Now what should I want to do? I should be find out now values, odd values. I don't know whoever score odd values. Click on this conditional formatting,
Ma'am, sorry
new
to interrupt.
rule.
Ma'am, can you go a little slow, ma'am?
What ma?
Can you teach us little slow because we are not able to do it, ma'am?
Okay, I'll go slow on.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt, ma'am. For the even
Mm.
formula, what did we give in the formula, ma'am? Is even in the brackets, what did we give, ma'am?
The first value in the table. We had to select first value in the table.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Again, I'll repeat that one. I should explain the odd, no, odd formula in the term, in that one. I'll explain again. I'll repeat once
Okay,
again.
ma'am. Okay.
See, in this table, I should select all 6 subjects. Okay. After that, I should be click on conditional formatting, new rule, conditional formatting, new rule. The last option, use a formula to determine which cells to format. That option I should select it. Here there is one rectangular box. In this rectangular box, you have to type the formula. You have to give the formula here. What is the formula I want to type? Equals is odd, ODD, odd. Open the bracket. Earlier, we taken is even, but now the formula we are taking is odd. Okay, c equals is odd. You have to select the first value in this table. Actually, which is the first value in this table? 74 is the first value. Come back, you had to close the bracket. Close the bracket. Here dollar symbol is there in the cell, in the selected cell dollar is there. You have to remove the dollar. Keep the cursor, press the backspace. Keep the cursor here, press the backspace. You have to remove the dollar symbol and then go to the format, bold, the pink, fill, yellow. Click on OK. Again OK. See, wherever yellow cells are there, those values are odd values, odd numbers. Understood, girls? Understood or not? Yes or no? Girls, you should tell me yes
Excuse me,
or no.
ma'am.
Hmm.
Can you please repeat one more time?
This one only. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to select all 6 subjects again. Conditional formatting, new role, the last option. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. That one we had to select. In this rectangular box, we had to type the formula equals is odd. Open the bracket. So in this table, we had to select first value. So we had to type the formula in the rectangular box is, sorry, equals is odd. Okay. So in this table, the first value is this, which is the first value. 74 is the first value. Close the bracket. Here there is a dollar is there now. Press the backspace. Keep the cursor. Press the backspace. Go to the format. Select any one of the color. Click on OK. Click on OK. See girls, the green cells shows you odd numbers, odd values. Understood now? Got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The now the concept is format as table. The next topic, condition formatting completed. The text should be aligned to the center side. Select whole data and then apply center alignment. Girls, now you don't have any format for the for this table. Okay, I want to apply the format for the table. So where I should go? Format as table. You have to go. See, light color is there, medium is there, dark is there. I am going to take this color. See, for my table, heading is there, no? Which is a heading actually? names, subject name, Kannada, English, Hindi, science, social. That is what heading. Total, average, percentage. These all the things are what girls headings. Okay. I should be click on okay. This is what the light color. Again, go to the home. Home. If you don't want the light color, you can go for medium color. See, this medium color will shows you like this. Patterns are different is there. This is what the medium one, medium color. Okay. Again, go to the dark color. See, this is what dark, light, light, light color, medium color, dark color, like this. And then one thing you should observe that in the corner side there is a button. What should I want to tell for this button? Filter button. The filter button always will apply only for the headings. The filter button always will apply only for the headings, girls. To add or remove the filter button, shortcut key Control Shift L. What is the shortcut key to add or remove the filter button to the for the table? See, I don't want now. I want to remove the filter button, so I should be press Control Shift L. See, there is no filter button in the headings. If you want to add the filter button to the headings, actually the filter button will be going to apply only for the headings. Okay, Control Shift L. So fastly put it in the chat box. What is the shortcut key for the filter button? All of you, put it in the chat box. What is the shortcut key to add or remove the filter button? Put it in the chat box, girls. All of you. Correct. Control Shift L. Only one student. What about others? Everyone should be respond. To add or remove the filter button to the table, shortcut key Control Shift L. Okay. So why there people today? 89 people connected. That's it. More than 100 strength is there. Only they have connected 89. Okay, good. Then now, so read the heading. What is the heading? The topic I should explain now. Filter data by using filter button. I should from the filter button. From the filter button, what I can do is I can filter the data. How to filter the data? See, I have student data here. Same data only. In the conditional formatting, what data I have taken the same table, same data only. It is here it is there, but table is formatted, and then there is a filter button. Now, what should I want to do? These names are not in alphabetical order wise. These names are not in alphabetical order wise, so you have to click on the filter button. See, there is an option here A to Z. Usually, the names also it will be in alphabetical order wise. So like that, I want to do? I want to arrange the data in alphabetical order wise. I want to arrange it. So you have to click on sort A to Z. Now the names are it is in alphabetical order wise. Anusha, Asha, Chandan, Chetan, Dinesh, like that. This is what A to Z. Okay, I want to make it now reverse Z to A. You have to click on the filter button. I should select what? Z to A. You should click on this. Now see the table. One of the table here the names are it is in reverse order. It is in reverse. Okay, Z to A. In the next table, what I'm doing here, girls, some color I'm applying. Wait, I'll show you. I'll take yellow. Yeah. So here I want to arrange the data according to the color wise. Click on the filter button, sort by color. You select it, the yellow one. See, Which color is the first one is there? Which is the color? Which color is arranged first? Which color is arranged first?
Yellow.
Yellow color. Yeah. In the next table, I'm going to arrange the data violet one. Violet color is the no, that one I want. I'll go for sort by color and then I'll take violet color. See, in this table, yellow color is arranged. In that table, violet color data is arranged. Okay. Come to the next one. Filter by color. Here I'll be going to take yellow. Sorry. For Dinesh, Yash, Chandan, Vinay. Yeah. I want to, what I want to do, filter by color. Is there no? That one I want to apply. Click on here. Filter by color. I should select it as which one? The yellow one. Seagulls. So what it is there here? Which color is filter? It is showing only yellow color. Whoever highlighted with yellow, only those colors are showing. The rest of the things are hidden, filtered. Okay. Come to the next. Text filters begins with C.
Once again.
Hmm. Yeah, man. Tell me. Any doubts?
Ma'am, I
Again,
said, can you show it once again, like just how it, yes, ma'am.
which one? Which one?
The color filter where you separated only yellow and the other shades.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. Now you have yellow, green, the blue, everything is there, mix is there. Yes or no? But I want to
Yes, ma'am.
filter only the yellow one. So you had to click on the filter button and then you had to choose the color yellow. See? So which color is filter for you? The yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah. Got it right? Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then now, what should I want to do in the next table? Text filter. I should be find out the names begins with C, starting with C. So many names are there here actually, starting names. You click on here, text filters. You have to go for the option begins with. Here I want to give the letter, starting letter C. Whoever name starts with C, those names will be going to filter girls. Click on OK. See, Chandan, Chetan, Chandana. See, you want to display all names, click on the filter button, then there is an option clear filter. Then it will be going to display everything. In the next table, on the right side table, click on this names. For example, I want to ends with A. Whoever names ends with A, those names I should be filter. Okay. Here there is an option ends with. You click on there and then give the letter A. A you give and then click on OK. Seagulls, Asha, A is ending. Anusha, A is ending. Isha, Chandana. See, every letter is ending with A. Got it right? Understood now? How to got it an idea? How to filter the data in the
Yes,
table?
ma'am.
Actually, tell me any one of you what is the purpose of using the filter button? Put it in the chat box, girls. All of you. Put it in the chat box, ma. Fast. All of you. Put it in the chat box. What is the use of filter button? What you can do from the filter button? Put it in the chat box. Girls, what I asked, yeah. What is the use of filter button? Put it in the chat box, ma. All of you have to respond. To the filter data that we need and remove one now. We don't need Nivedita. We can filter the data according to the criteria. Hmm. To get only those data according to your requirements. Okay. Yes, correct. So close the chat box. Yes, okay. So understood now from the filter buttons what all the things we can do it. We can arrange the data according to the alphabetical order wise, reverse wise. We can filter the color, we can means arrange the color, we can filter the color, we can find out the names ends with a letter or any letter ends with begins with even for C. I'll clear this. Go to the filter button. Sorry, I think for this table, no? Click on this filter, clear. 1 second. Hmm. So now I'm going to take the Hindi subject. Hindi one is done. You select it Hindi. See for the number how it is showing for you, smallest to largest we can arrange, or you can go for largest to smallest. The same thing you can apply the color for the Hindi subject. You can apply what color and you can arrange color wise. You can apply the color and then you can use filter by color. Number filter is there. You can find out greater than whoever in the conditional formatting I taught greater than, lesser than, between, greater than, equal to, like that. So you try it once this all the things, above average, below average. So girls, so I'll give you an assignment for you. You have to do that, you have to do it. Filter data by using filter button. Okay, filter button. This is what, girls, this is your assignment should be submit for the mail ID br.meenakshi@gmail.com. This is what my mail ID. This is what my mail ID. You people you have to send it. You have to submit for this mail ID.
Ma'am, how many marks for this?
For this one, 10 marks.
Excuse me,
Oh,
ma'am.
ma'am, is this the assignment that will be included for our examination, ma'am?
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No. Rama.
can we edit the same data or should we create a data
You
ourselves?
have to create. You have to create everything. You have to apply the
Oh,
format, border, color, everything. You have to do it yourself,
okay.
and then you have to do the thing.
Okay,
Copy
ma'am.
one table, you do it, one table you prepare it, the same table only you copy paste you do it. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ full screen.
Ma'am, when is the submission?
Tomorrow you have to submit tomorrow.
Timing, ma'am. By what time?
You have the class, no, 4 o'clock, within that you submit it.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
It's easy, only one table you prepare, okay, another table you copy paste you do it. That's it. Then heading should be different. The table is same but heading should be different, okay. See, tables are same only but headings are different. See, in the text filter, you had to do it. In the text filter, girls, you had to do it only for begins with, ends with. That's it. For the text filters, which are the topics you had to do it? Begins with, ends with. That's it. For the any one of the subject, you should select it. For example, Hindi, you have to do it everything. And then in the number filter, you have to do it everything, girls, except the last one. Custom filter is there. No, you leave that and then you have to do it for everything. You have to do it in separate table. Don't do it all the things in one table. You have to show it in separate table. Understood, right? Equal, does not equal, greater than or equal to, less than, between, so many are there. No, you have to do it for everything except custom filter. In the number filter you have to do it all the things except the last one. For the text filter you have to do it only for the two. One is begins with and then one more is for ends with. Now it's clear, your doubts, it's clear how to do the assignment. You got it, my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Yes,
But you
ma'am.
had to you had to show it in separate table.
Okay, ma'am.
So without fail, you have to submit at least within 6. So I for the 2 hours I extended the class for the assignment. Okay, at least within 6 you should submit it. 6:36 you have to submit. After that I'll check your assignments.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, where will get this recorded sessions?
recording section. I should ask the management. I'll talk with the management and then I'll share that. I'll share with you. Still the recorded things I had not downloaded. So give some time. I'll talk with them and then I'll share with you. Okay, got it
Yes,
now?
ma'am. Thank you.
Mm. All classes recordings are there. I don't know how, where should I want to send. I should ask the management not came today. I'll ask them and then I'll update for you. The next concept, cell styles. See, for the headings, if you want girls, you can apply what cell styles. See, for the headings, for such things you can use cell styles. Whichever pattern styles you want, you can take it. Okay. The next one, insert and delete. I'll show you how to do. Girls, now the table is formatted. No, is it possible to clear this format? Is it possible to clear this format, ma? Yes. Clear option is there. No, you have to go for clear format. See, the format, everything is clear. But the filter button is there in the heading. I don't want this filter button. Okay. The filter button I don't want. You have to remove the filter button. Shortcut key I told you already. Control Shift L. To add or remove the filter button, shortcut key what I told. Control Shift L. Okay. So now the text, it should be in center alignment. The percentage symbol I should apply. Percentage format. Hmm.
Ma'am,
Like this.
excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, one more doubt in the assignment, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hmm.
for the filter sort with number filters, ma'am. Like if we
Hmm.
do for any one subject, is it enough, ma'am? Like for equals,
One
if
sub.
we take Kannada and for does
Hmm.
not
Hmm.
equal English, like in different table,
Ah.
we should show that's all, no, ma'am.
Yeah, for one
Okay,
subject
ma'am.
is it
Thank you.
is enough. For one subject you take. Any
Okay,
one
ma'am.
subject you take.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
But you have
ma'am.
to
Okay, ma'am.
mention
Thank
in
you,
the
ma'am.
headings.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
you have
Yeah,
to
ma'am. Okay.
listen, yeah. But you had
Okay,
to
ma'am.
mention. You had to.
Yes,
What you
ma'am.
had to do is in the heading you have to mention which subject you are filtering. That one you have to mention in the heading. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
So for Hindi, for Kannada, for English you are doing that one, you mention it in the heading. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
But you have to do it separately in the separate table. Don't do it all the topics in one table. You have to show it separately. So now I want to add two columns. That's why I have selected here two columns because I want to add two more subjects, girls. I forgot to give two more subject entry here. That's why what I am doing here, I have selected two columns and then click on insert button. See, two more columns are inserted. If you don't want this, you should select this and then delete option is there. Click on delete. See, two columns are deleted. Now I want to add three students data. I forgot to make the entry of three student data. You had to click on insert. See how much you have selected, that much number of rows are added. Okay, and then click on delete. If you don't want, select it and delete. See, understood now how to add the rows and columns for the sheet?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you want to add the sheet, so I told you so many times, shift plus F11, or you can use plus button. So if I click on this plus button, see, new sheets will be going to add like this. If you don't want this sheet, right click and delete. Right click, right click, right click, delete. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಒಂಚೂರು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. So right click, delete. Right click, delete. Right click on the sheet, delete. Right click on the sheet, delete. Okay, I don't want to delete this. Rows, columns, how to add the sheets, how to delete the sheets, you understood, right? The next concept is what? The default row height. What is the row height is there? So 14.25 is the default row height. Or wait, I'll check in the new sheet also. Keep the cursor on the cell. Keep the cursor on the cell. Go to format row height. 14.25, girls. What's the default row height? In exams, they'll be going to ask you column width. What is the default column width? What is the default row height? You should answer for that 14.25. 14.25 is the row height, girls. If you want, you can increase, ma. For example, I'll be going to take 50. See now the row height is how much? 50. Or else keep the cursor in the corner like this. Just you drag. So automatically the row height will be going to increase. Now I want to find out the column width, the default column width. Okay. Default column width, I don't know how much it is there, 8.38. What is the default column width in the Excel? 8.38. So you want to increase this? Give it 15, 5, click on OK, seagulls. Or else keep the cursor in the between of the line, you drag it how much you want. See. Okay, right. This is what, how increasing and decreasing the row height. Then, so all of you put it in the chart box. What is the default row height and column width? So put it in the chat box, girls. Row height and then column width. Good. Nivedita. Column width, Nivedita. Yes. What about others? You people, what you are doing? You have to put it in the chat box fast, girls. Harshita. Good. Next. Only Nivedita and Harshita are listening to the class. Suraksha. Okay. Reena. Madhu. Okay. Hmm. The next topic is what? Hiding and unhiding the rows and columns. See, girls, B, C, D. So three columns I have selected. I want to hide these columns. You had to go for the format. There will be option here hiding the rows. So I have selected columns, no? So I should click on hide column. See, after A column, which column it's showing on the screen? E column. After A, B, C, D. See, A, B, C, D column is not showing on the screen because it is hidden. So now you have to select, while unhiding, you have to select entire sheet. Select the entire sheet. Go to the format, unhide rows. Sorry, unhide columns. See, A, B, C, D, D, F. See, it's showing. Now, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So many rows I have selected like this. Go to the format, click on hide rows. See, girls, the more 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the rows are not showing on the screen, it is hidden. You select entire sheet now, select the entire sheet. Then you have to go for unhide what? Rows, right? Rows, unhide rows. Everything it's showing on the screen now. Now I want to hide the sheet. Actually, what is the sheet? We are in which sheet now? Sheet 1. I want to hide the sheet 1. 2 minutes, girls. So we are in the sheet 1. I want to hide that sheet. So here, go for the hide sheet. See, girls, sheet 9 is displaying. Where is the sheet 1? It is hidden. So we had to go for the format unhide sheet. Which sheet you want to display? Sheet 3 or sheet 1? Tell me. Sheet 3 or sheet 1 I want to display. Which sheet actually hidden? Which sheet is hidden, girls? Sheet 1, it is hidden. You should select sheet 1 and then okay you do. See, it is now unhide. The next topic, changing the sheet name, rename. Rename the sheet. For example, student data. So what is the sheet name I am giving? Student data. See, the now sheet name is student data. You want to change the color for this? Yeah, I can. Go to the format. Tab color is there, no? So for example, I'll take it as black. If I click on the black one, I selected, click on the other sheet. See now, the sheet color is black. The sheet name is what? Student. Like this. Okay. So now, how to move the sheet from one place to another place? You drag and drop it. Drag and drop. Okay. Or you can drag and you can pull it wherever you want. See. So understood now how to move the sheets. See, wherever you want, you can move the sheets like this. From dragging or uh, like pulling like this, we can move the sheets. And then one more. Already I taught this for you. Protect sheet. There are a lot of sheet in my workbook, girls. See, there is a lot of sheet, but I want to protect the sheet. So student data. Here student data sheet is there, no? I want to protect this. How to protect this format? You have to go for protect sheet. Give the password 123. You should remember, girls. Don't forget the password, ma. I told already this one for you. 123. Repeat the password. Girls, for the issue, I want to change the marks for the 100. It is not taking, girls. We can't do any changes for the sheet. The whole sheet, the entire sheet, it is protected. Entire sheet is protected. What about the rest of the sheets? It is protected or unprotected? The sheet is not allowing to make any changes. It is
Unprotected,
not.
ma'am.
Ah, try the thing in the sheet 9. Yeah, see, we can type wherever we want. We can change whatever we want in the other sheet, but we can't edit anything for the student data sheet. Okay, now I want to unprotect and then I want to make some changes for the sheet. So go to format, unprotect sheet. See, it is asking you the password. You have to give the password 123, enter. So now for the issue I will be going to give the marks 100 out of 100. See, now it is changed. Then if I drag, automatically for everyone 100 only it will come. The next concept is lock cell. See, each and every cell I can lock, girls. Which cells you want to lock, that cells you can select it and you can lock it. Okay. See, you first step. So note down the steps if you want. There's a two lengthy steps is there to lock the cell. Write down the steps. Open your book. Take your book. Write the steps. Select whole sheet. Select whole sheet, entire sheet. Click on format, format cell. Select whole sheet, entire sheet. Click on format, format cell. Click on format, format cell.
Ma'am, this is to lock the cells, ma'am.
Locking the cell.
Okay.
How to lock the cell? That procedure I am telling. How to lock the cell in Excel. Format cell, protection, format cell protection. In the protection, you have to untick on this. You shouldn't select anything. Don't select anything here. Okay, don't select anything. Click on OK. So don't want to select in the locked. Leave it blank. Don't select anything. Click on OK. Now, so here 100 is the no for this cells I want to protect. I want to lock these cells. The selected cells, not whole all cells in the sheet. Only the selected cells. Sorry, only the selected cells I want to protect it. Okay, go to the format, click on lock cell, click on lock cell. Now select the cells whichever you want to protect. Click on format lock cell. Have you note down the steps what I am telling? Then after that, finally click on protect sheet. Again, click on format. Click on format. Protect sheet. Give the password. But you should remember, don't forget it. Okay. 123 password. So now, girls, here I'll give 200 and drag for whole things. See, it is not taking. Till where I can drag, till 75 I can drag. See. So try to drag it further down for issue for everything. See, it will not take because it is protected. Try to give 2 marks. See, it won't take. The cells, these cells are protected. We can't do any changes in the selected cells. The rest of the cells, I can do the changes whatever we want. See, wherever I want, I can change it, girls. But which cells cannot be make any changes for this cells. Okay, for the locked cells. If you want to make any changes for this cells, you have to go for the format. Unprotect sheet is there. No? You click on that and then give the password. Supply the password 123. So you want to make changes now? Type whatever you want. See, it is taking, girls. It is taking automatic. Understood, ma? How to log the cells? How to log the cells? You got it now? Understood now?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Can you please explain again? It's confusing.
Hmm. Okay. You had to select your entire sheet, format, format cell, protection. You shouldn't select anything. You have to leave it blank here. Don't want to select anything. Leave it blank. Click on OK. Now for the max subject is then for that cell I am selecting. See, only for the max I have selected the cells. Select the cells whichever you want to protect. Go to the format. Click on lock cell. After that, finally you have to go for protect sheet. Click on protect sheet. Give the password. Repeat the password. Then try to make the changes. See, for the social you can do the changes. Okay. Even for the total we can do the changes whatever we want. But for the max cells we can't do any changes because it is protected cell. On the protected cells you are trying to make changes, it will not take anything. We can't do any changes for this protected cells. If you want to unprotect these cells, you have to go for the format, unprotect sheet, give the password 123, enter. Understood, no? Now, you want to make any changes, you can do it now. See, it is taking, no?
Yes,
Now you
ma'am.
understood. Okay.
Yes.
Next topic, Autosum. Hmm. So girls, here the values or it is in same row or same column. This one. Tell me, ma. These values are in same row or same column. Answer me fast. I should be go for the next.
Column.
Yeah, good. The column, the values are it is in column. What about this? These values are in same column or same row.
Same rows. Same row, ma'am.
Good. Hmm. What about these values? It is in same row or same column, or it is
It's
scattered.
different. Scattered, ma'am.
Hmm. Scattered. It is in different cell. Okay, girls. So what is the use of the values or it is in same row and in same column? I'll explain. See, for example, I want to find out the total for this values. Okay, what should I want to do? I want to find out the total. Already you people know how to find out the total. Equal sum. Okay, you double click on the sum. From where to where I should select from 45 to 12. I have selected. Okay, press enter. The result is how much? 264 is the result. Equals sum from where to where I had to select from 12 to 96 type 96 type. I should select enter. The now the result is what? 186. So instead of typing the formula, there will be easy method, girls. Easy method is there. Okay. Instead of typing the sum function, instead of
No one will
typing the
tell me
sum
this
function,
app is shit. It
someone is
keeps
talking. Please mute
hanging.
it. Mute it, ma. Otherwise, the class will be disturbance will be there. Mute it yourself. Don't talk. Mute it. So I don't want to type the formula manually. For the sum, there is a shortcut key Alt equals. Just you press Alt equals. Automatically, the formula, the values, everything will be going to take automatically. What is the shortcut key for the sum? Alt equals. So it is taken automatically because of the values are in same column. Press enter. You will get results. Here also the values are it is in same row. So don't want to type the formula manually. You had to use the shortcut key Alt equals. See automatically formula has been taken. So values are selected automatically. Just I should press enter, girls. So which one is easy? Typing is easy or shortcut key is easy? Which one is easy,
Shortcut key,
girls?
ma'am.
Shortcut key. But one thing you should remember, if the values are written in different cell, you can't use alt equals. In that time we had to type manually. See, I'll show you now. Here we can't use the formula because the values are scattered. Okay, so equals sum. Okay, we need to select 12 comma, or plus you can use select comma, select comma, select comma, select. This is what the manual method. Then enter. 259 is the answer. So if the values or it is in same column, same row, you have to use the shortcut key for the addition. Alt equals sum. For the sum, what is the shortcut key? Alt equals. If the values or it is in different cell, then you have to do it manually. So all of you put it in the chat box. What is the shortcut key for the sum? Fast. It's very important. Definitely they will be going to ask in the exams. Put it in the chat box.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, you said
Tell.
you will ask the management about Zoom classes, no, ma'am.
Hmm. So for this year
Ma'am,
you have not.
actually, This app hangs a lot, ma'am. When you're teaching important things, our phones get hang and we
Hmm.
can't
Hmm.
concentrate on whatever you're teaching.
Hmm. Nivedita,
And today,
Nivedita.
and you said about the assignment, and half of the things were broken, ma'am. At the last,
Hmm.
please can you brief about the assignment?
Mm-hmm. See, I don't have that permission. You had to tell it for your madam. Your, what is that? Spandana, no? Your madam name.
Yes, ma'am. Spandana, ma'am. So we have to tell her, ma'am, if we wanted to
Ah,
conduct
yeah,
experiments.
yeah, yeah. If you tell to
Okay.
your Spandana madam, the madam will be going to complain to the management. Then they will take the action.
Okay, ma'am.
I
Okay.
can't. I don't have the permission. That's why I'm telling girls.
Okay, ma'am.
You
Put
have to
this
tell to
one.
your madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Inform to your madam. Hey, please mute it yourself. For others, it will be disturbance. Please mute it yourself. While answering, you should unmute and then you should answer it. So understood now? This alt equals when you are going to use the alt equals,
Calculate the
girls.
sums.
That is sum only. When you are going to use, when it will be useful. The values
When
are
they are
it
in
When
is in
the same row,
scatter or the values are in same row or column.
when they are in the same
when
row and
same
column.
row and column, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. Now, girls, I want to find out the average. Okay, for the average, there is no formula. Sorry, there is no shortcut key. Okay, there is no shortcut key for the average. Only for the sum function there is a shortcut key alt equals. Okay, so there is no shortcut key. No, you click on auto sum. There is so many options. Some already we have done. No, click on average. See, automatically the formula, the cell range, everything selected automatically. Just enter, you press. See, girls, the average it is showing. Now you keep the cursor here, click on the drop down list, you will get more options. Click on average. See, average, all automatically the cells everything selected. Just enter. But if it is like this, the cells are sorry, the values are it is in different cell, then you had to do it manually. We had to type the formula now. Equals average, double click on the average. You have to select one by one. 12 comma 14 comma, select the 85 comma, select the 96 comma, and then 52. Then enter, you press. See, the now for this average 51.8 is the average. So understood now what is the benefit of using autosum? Any one of you recognize and tell me? Find out and tell me what you understood from the autosum. What is the use of autosum?
The formulas are available.
The formulas you can take it. How the calculations will happen? Manually or automatically from the autosum? Instead of typing the
Automatically.
automatically, instead of typing the formula, so if the but the values should be in same row or same column. If the values are if it is in different cell, that time you can't do anything. Okay, you have to do it manually. That's the purpose of autosum. The next topic, flash fill, very important topic. This is for you. Flash fill, shortcut key for the flash fill, control E.
Ma'am, do we have shortcut key for average, ma'am?
No shortcut key, only formula is there.
Okay.
Hmm. The next topic is very important, girls. Flash fill. In the exams, they'll be going to ask you for the 2 marks. Please remember this. See the names, or it is in first name. One second. I'll change the alignment of this text. Select center alignment. Apply all border. Hmm. The heading should be always highlight. Increase the font size. And then adjust the column width like this. So now girls, the first name it is in one column, the last name it is in another column. So what you have to do, you have to type the names first. The first name you have to feed ma Prakash Gowda. Okay. For the rest of the names should come automatically. Okay. So just you keep the cursor and drag it. See, is it coming? If I drag like this, if I drag and down, if I drag to the down, the names will comes automatically. No, repeated names only coming. Okay, what you have to do means only for the first cell you have to feed. Then you have to select the blank cells like this. What you have to do? You have to select the blank cells. Then after that you have to press shortcut key for the flash fill to fill automatically here. Control E, elephant E. See, automatically it is joined. The first name and then last name can be joined. So Meghana Jain, Meera Sindhu, Geeta Pala. See, automatically the names has been joined from the flash fill. Oh, so you can write it now, the shortcut key, and then what is the use of flash fill? Put it in the chat box fast.
Ma'am,
Girls, put it in the chat box. What is the shortcut key for the flash fill, and then what is the use of flash fill? Put it in the chat box fast, all of you. Someone is talking. What's your doubt? What doubts you have?
ma'am, can you hear me?
Excuse me,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Tell me, ma.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yeah, I'll repeat.
Ma'am, do
Over
we
and
not have an option for flash fill in the ribbons?
hmm.
Do we not
Repeat
have like
the.
in Do we not have like a flash fill option in the ribbons? Like you just click on it and the flash fill
Oh.
happens instead of typing the
Ah,
formula.
it is there. It is there. Here, fill option is there. No, here it is there. See.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
There is a drop down list. No, you click on the drop down list, you will get flash fill last
Yes,
one.
yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, someone asked me to explain this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, when I'm selecting the blank cells, it is asking me to select the
Hmm.
active cells or something, ma'am.
See, I'll do it. It won't ask anything. See, I'm
Okay,
doing
ma'am.
now. So the first name, the last name should be joined in one column. The first name I should be feed it. I want to feed it here. Prakash space Gouda like this. Okay. So don't want to drag here. Just you select from middle. You select the cell like this, and then you press Control E. Right once it will come. Now you understood. No, someone asked me the doubts.
Ma'am, still I'm getting a dialog box saying to use flash fill, enter a couple of examples of the output you'd like to see or something.
You have not done like this, ma. See my data, how
Uh,
it's showing on the screen.
I've done like this only, ma'am. Still I'm not getting it.
I should check it, yeah. You put it in the WhatsApp, I'll check. You send me that pic for me, I'll check it out and then I'll tell you. What doubt, sorry, what is the problem is there, what is the issue is there, I'll check it and then I'll tell you.
Ma'am, it's not
Okay,
happening
sure, sure.
to me also, ma'am.
What, ma?
It's not happening to me also, ma'am.
Is it?
Like the same problem.
Wait. First, the data should be prepared like this. Don't merge anything. Don't apply anything. Do it like that only. Have you merged anything? If you merge anything, if you give any full stop, comma, or any fee symbols, if If it is there, it won't come properly. It should be clearly like this. You do it in the fresh sheet once. You try it in the fresh sheet. Take a new sheet and then try it this one again. See, now what I'm doing, no? Here the names are joined. The names are joined is there, no? I want to segregate now. I want to separate it. The first name should be in one column. The last name should be in the another column. So how to do this one? First name is what? Prakash. The second name is what? Gouda. Okay. If I drag, it won't come. So you should select the blank cell and then you have to press Control E, girls. Select this data like this. Along with Gouda, you should select Control E. See, now the names are segregated. So like flash fill helps you to combine and segregate. Both we can do it, girls, from the flash fill. Understood? The flash fill one.
Ma'am, could you show the segregating again, ma'am?
Hmm. The first name you have to you have to type it, ma. The first name you have to type it. Okay, you have to type. Select the blank cells and then press Control E. Select the name along with Prakash. You select it. Press Control E. Again, select the cells along with Gouda. Control E. That's all. The
Okay.
first name you have to give it, ma. The first name you give it. Select. Press Control E. That's all. Understood? No. From the flash fill, what all the things we can do it? What all the things we can do it from the flash fill, girls? Answer to my question. Girls, so no interaction, nothing in this class. You should tell me, ma, if I ask anything.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I tried doing a new sheet also. Still, I'm getting the same dialog box, ma'am.
Hmm. Oh, what it is telling that in that message?
Ma'am, it's telling we looked at the data next to your selection and didn't see a pattern for filling in values for you. To use flash fill, enter a couple of examples of the output you'd like to see. Keep the active
Or
cell in the column you want fill in.
in the home tab, you have the option fill option is there in
Yes,
your
ma'am, it's
software.
there.
Fill is there. Flash fill is
Yes,
there.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Send me that pic, yeah. I'll see how the data you
Uh,
have prepared.
can I send it in the
WhatsApp.
here itself,
Send me
ma'am?
in the in
WhatsApp.
the WhatsApp. You
Okay, ma'am.
send me. We'll
Okay,
check it.
ma'am.
I'll check it.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. The next option is what? Clearing, girls. I told you know this already. To clear any format, see, you don't want to keep this format, there is an option clear all. Clear all means, see, for example, I'll select everything here and then I'll go for clear all. See, whole data, everything will be going to clear. If you want to get back, Control Z, undo, you do, you will getting back. Now I want to clear only the format. See, only the format, it is clear. The text is here only, it is there. So Control Z, you will be coming back. Clear content means, see, only the contents it's clear, the format is there. Like that, this is option to clear the data format, whatever we want. Okay, Control Z, you do, you'll come, you will be getting back. Just now I taught this for you in the filter button sort, girls. I taught this topic 10 minutes back, 15 minutes back. This concepts I taught this for you, A to Z, filter, all the things. And the next one, to find the text, shortcut key in the Excel, Control F. What is the shortcut key to find the text? Find the text, replace, to replace, Control H, Control G. Please note down this shortcut keys. I'll explain how to use this, all the things. Copy down this shortcut keys, muggles. Done. Okay. Now, girls,
Yes, ma'am.
I want to find the text Gita. Where is the Gita? Is there? I don't know. Press Control F. So you have to type the name Gita. Click on Find Next. Find Next. See, the cursor is moving wherever Gita is there. Wait 1 second. I'll remove the border. Then you'll be coming to know very clearly. No border I'll take. Okay. I don't know where is the Gita name is there. I don't know. So in the so many cells, Gita name is there. Hmm. I don't know where is the Gita name. Press Control F. Gita. Give the name Gita. Find next. Find next. See, wherever Gita name is there, in that cell only the cursor is moving. Okay, na? See? Hmm. Instead of Gita, I want to replace now. Um, what shall I give? My name only, Minakshi. Okay. Control H. Go to the Control H. Instead of Geeta, I should be replaced with my name. In the capital letter, I'll give Meenakshi. Okay. So go for the option replace all. If you want to replace only one name, you have to click on replace. In case if you want to rename all the, if you want to replace all the names, then you have to go for replace all. So how many replacements are made? 6 replacements. Click on OK. Again, close this window. See, instead of Geeta, what name you have? Meenakshi. Okay, girls. Now I want to go for the cell address A1. A is a column, 1 is a row. First row, and then for the first column A1. For the which cell I want to go, girls? Which is the first cell? A1. I should go for A1. Okay. So I don't know where is the A1 cell. Control G you press G. Control G. For which cell you want to go? That cell address you have to put it here. A1. Enter. See my cursor, it is in first cell. Assume, girls, now I want to go for the Z100. Actually, Z is what? Column. The column always having alphabets. The column always having what? Alphabets. The rows always having numerical number. So Z is indicating column, 100 is indicating you row. So now somewhere you keep the cursor, Control G, you have to give the address Z100. Z is column, 100 is row. Click on OK. See my cursor. See the cursor now. It is in Z column and then it is in which row? 100 row. This is 100 row. See the cell, it is in Z100. Again Control G, A1, enter. See cell, it is in. Understood, no? Can you tell me any one of, put it in the chat box, girls. What is go to? What is the use of go to? Fast. Then only I'll go for the next concept. Otherwise, I'll be not going for the next one. Tell me fast. Go to. What is the, from the go to? What you understood? Put it in the chat box. Fast. Don't be late.
Ma'am, go to option helps us to go to the like whichever row or column we want to. For example,
Hmm.
when we press Control plus G,
Hmm.
it shows an option. We are supposed to apply whichever row or column we want. For
Give
example, it
me.
is
So,
A1 to
what is a TA? What is one?
ma'am.
What is A? What is A? What is one?
A is nothing but your column, and 1 is
Good.
nothing but your row. That is first row.
Absolutely correct. Good. Very good, Chaitra. So using go to, we can go to a particular cell. Okay, Archana, good. Okay, girls. Now we have to start with insert tab. The pivot table, I'll be going to start this concept tomorrow. It's a very important topic for you. Tomorrow I'm going to start because there is no time. Already 5:40. So 15 minutes, 10 minutes. This is
Ma'am,
not topic. It will take more than half an hour to explain this. That's why I'm going to
ma'am,
start with tomorrow. Yeah, ma.
can we do it tomorrow, ma'am? Because like it will confuse us, ma'am. If like so much
Yeah.
we
Hmm.
study.
That's why I'm telling for you that is a lengthy. There's a lot of things is
Yes,
there in the
ma'am.
pivot table. That's why there is no
Mm.
time. Already time is going on. I should take attendance all
Yes,
the things.
ma'am.
So pivot
Yes,
table
ma'am.
concepts I'll be going to start with tomorrow.
Okay,
Some
ma'am.
simple tools I'll explain. That's all. Simple things. So pictures are there. If you want to insert the pictures in the Excel, online pictures also we can take.
Excuse me,
The
ma'am.
shapes are there. Huh? Yes.
Ma'am, before you start the tools,
Hmm.
could you just brief about the assignment and like where you were teaching the sort and filter, no, ma'am?
Hmm. Hmm.
Like how to add the color, all those things was like fully
Hmm.
planned out when I was hearing. Could you just brief that?
I want to tell that once.
Yes, ma'am.
The table, the data you have to prepare like this first. I think this file I sent no for you yesterday. I shared
Yes,
no
ma'am.
this sheet. So yeah, the table is same only, girls. Copy paste. You do it. The heading should be different. You should click on the filter button. You have to do it each and everything one by one in separate table. That's the thing I'm telling for you. See, each and every topic you should show it in the separate table. In the text filter, for the names you have to do it first names, for the names you do it. This is what text filter, okay? In the text filter I told you you have to do it begins with end with, only the two things you have to do it. Begins with, ends with is you have to do it in the text filter only for the two concept you have to do it in the text filter. And then for the number filter you have to take any one subject you take, then you should be mentioned in the heading which for the which subject you are doing filter button. I'll be not coming to know. That's why you have to mention it the subject name in the heading. For example, I am going to take Hindi. For Hindi you have to do it for everything, girls. That is what values. In Hindi what you have, text is there or number is there here. In the names what you have, text is there. In the Hindi what you have, numbers are there, okay? So you had to do it for everything. Each and every concept you had to do it till number filter in separate table. You have to show the smallest to largest in one table, in another table largest to smallest. Then you have to apply the color. Then you have to do this one in separate table. And then filter by color also you have to apply the color, and then you have to do it separately in the table. Number filter you have to do it everything except last one. You have to do it for everything except which one you shouldn't do. Custom filter is there, no, that one you don't do it, okay? The last one it is not required, don't do it. Now it's clear, girls. Is it clear the assignment? Again I'll be not repeating, girls. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Someone asked me the doubt. It's clear, ma, for you.
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Yeah, yeah.
And only one table we're supposed to prepare, ma'am.
Only one table you prepare. The same table you copy, paste it down, like that.
For each thing we're
Scroll,
supposed to
scroll.
do. Like one table we're going to put like same
Hmm.
data,
Hmm.
now subjects total average and percentage.
You-
Then
Uh,
we are going to do like a sort from A to Z, then sort by Z to A,
but you
then
should
sort by
show it
color.
hmm. In separate table. You have to do it. Hmm.
Yes,
Same
ma'am.
data
In
only.
one Excel
But
sheet, we're supposed to do everything.
yeah, you have to show it in
Ah,
separate table. Each and every
okay, ma'am.
topic should be separately in the table. That's it. The heading should be different. The data should be
Got it.
same. Hmm.
However, you have given the headings like that, sort by color,
Hmm.
sort
Yeah,
by
yeah.
numbers, all those things.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
The pictures are there to insert the pictures. Online pictures are there to insert in Excel. The shapes are there. So which type of shapes you want, you can insert in Excel. Then screenshot is there, girls. This is smart art. See, I'll show you. So it will take only 5 minutes topic. Smart art. Just click on the smart art here. There are different types are there: list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, picture, office.com is there. So for example, I want to explain about process, life cycle of the animal. For example, I want to explain for you butterfly life cycle, frog life cycle, a human beings life cycle, snakes, like that. Okay, if from the hierarchy I can prepare the flow chart, like types of accounts. Okay, types of what is that? What shall I tell? Types of computer parts, hardware, software types, like that. I should explain from the hierarchy. But here I'm going to take cycle, select the first one, and then OK you do. This is what the flow chart. You can prepare it in Excel. For example, I want to explain now life cycle of the butterfly. Here I'm giving the name egg. The second stage of this larva of the butterfly. The next one pupa. The fourth stage of the butterfly, caterpillar. Fourth stage, caterpillar. Sorry. And then final stage of the butterfly, adult. It will become adult. Okay. Now you click on the smart art inside. Don't keep the cursor outside of the this one. Okay. Don't keep the cursor outside. You have to place the cursor on smart art. Then you will get tools, ma. The related tools, smart art related tools you will get. Come to the design. So you can change the color, whichever color you want. So you won't like this type of colors. You won't like this. Don't worry. Go to the page level. In the page level, you have to change the themes. Actually, this color is nice. No, 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 no. From the themes, we can change the styles, ma. Yeah, this is looking good. So now, hmm, now click on the smart art. Come to the design. See, girls, the which colors you want to like, you apply that. And then, if you don't want like circle type, the layouts you can change like this, like this. For the which layouts you want, you can change it. Let it be this one only, the circle only. And then, girls, smart art styles you can apply, ma. See, the styles are changing. And even we can apply 3D effects. We can give the 3D effects like this. It's look good if you apply 3D effects. See, you want to change the color for this, for the larva stage, come to the next tab, format. Shape fill option is there. In that you can give the color whichever you want. See, the pink color is applied. Again, click on the shape, come to the format. Again, come to the shape fill. The picture you want to insert, click on the picture. See, work offline, I'll go. Some picture I will be going to insert for this. If you don't want this color, you can insert the picture. You can download the picture. Butterfly pictures will be available in Google. No, select the picture, insert. See, the picture is applied. If you don't want color, you can go for picture. In case if you don't want picture also, gradient option is there. Go to more gradients. Two more colors with combinations we can apply in the gradient. Click on the gradient. See, four gradient points are there. You should select it and then you have to apply the color combin. See which colors you want, you can apply it. Hmm. Now you close it. Again, come to the shape fill, gradient. See the variations, how you want, you can apply. See, this is what color, two more colors are there, no? That is gradient. If you don't want that also, you can go for the texture. See, white marble, brown marble, so many things, paper bag, like that, the format you can apply. So, what is the use of smart art, girls? What is the use of smart art? The flow chart you can prepare. This will help for any explanation. Life cycle of this butterfly. So you want to show the heading. In the insert tab, there is one option, word heart. The word heart is there. You click there and then type the heading. Butterfly life cycle. Then reduce the font size. You reduce the font size in the home tab, and then you rotate the text like this. Keep it in the center. Even we can apply the format for this text also, but you have to select it. Select this, the butterfly life cycles text is then you select it. So there is a last tab, that is format. Come to the format, text fill option is there. So which color you want to fill, that color you can take. Okay. Or you can insert the picture, or you can go for the shadings. I'll take this. Text effects is there. You can apply shadow. For the text reflection you can apply, and then glow, outermost, the glow option, the glow will apply. See, outermost yellow you want to take. See, yellow. And then framework you want to apply, you can apply that. 3D rotate the text. If you want to rotate, you can rotate however you want. See, it is in parallel. And then transform is there. Curve type. See, like this. So this is what the title of the smart art. You can show it above like this, or in the middle you can show it like this. So how the thing I prepared, from where I got these things, tell me, ma. So from the smart art, what you understood?
It helps to, like, we have different kinds of charts, ma'am. We have root, like the cycle flow or the process flow, everything. And where we can change the fonts, we can change the background by using colors or like a gradient or everything. Then the process, after once the process is done, like to put a heading for that, we're going to come back to insert, go to then from there you're going to select one style. Then you're going to type the heading, and if you want any graphic designs, all those things, you're going to put it
Okay.
into
So this will helps you for the explanation. If you want to prepare the flow chart in the Excel, you have to be use what is that smart art. In the next class, tomorrow class, pivot table, and then I'll start with the screenshot. Okay, today is enough. Is there any doubts today's in today's class? I hope girls you understood the topic. Tomorrow classes are very important because the pivot table chart I am going to explain that will definitely will come for the exams. The chart, the tomorrow topic is chart and pivot table and screenshot I'll be going to explain. Understood, my girls? Girls, answer your attendance. Answer your attendance. Professional batch is there, no? First you answer, ma. Honors batch, I'll call you later. Arshita, two. Two. Answer. Answer to my attendance. Answer, girls. Professional batch. Honors batch, I'll call you later. Absent. Hachita, three.
Ma'am, two is present, ma'am. She was just answering your question.
Three. Next.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is Harshita.
Hmm. Present. The next one. Three. Four. Kushi. Four. Pragati. Five.
Present, ma'am.
Six. Six. Seven.
Present, ma'am.
Eight.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Nine.
Present, ma'am.
Push it.
Ma'am,
Nine.
8 present.
9 present,
Nine.
ma'am.
Okay. 10.
10 present, ma'am.
11. Divyashri.
Present, ma'am.
12. 12. Next. Somya. 13. 13. Absent. Next. 14.
She's texted on a
Present, ma'am.
chat box now.
15.
Present, ma'am.
14 present, ma'am.
Yeah, I given. 16.
Present, ma'am.
18.
Present, ma'am.
19.
Present, ma'am.
20.
Present, ma'am.
21. 21. 22.
Present, ma'am.
23. 23. 24. Madhumita. Absent. 25.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 26. 26. 20, 26. 27.
Present,
Present,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. 28. 28. Absent. 29.
Present, ma'am.
30. Nandini.
Present, ma'am.
30. 31. Nimbra. 31. Pooja. 32.
Present, ma'am.
Prem. 33.
Present, ma'am.
34. Rachita. 34. 35.
Present,
Present,
ma'am.
ma'am.
34 present, ma'am.
34 present.
34 present, ma'am.
Okay. 35 present. 35 present.
Yes, ma'am.
36.
Present, ma'am.
Next. 38.
Present, ma'am. 38 present.
39. 39. 40.
Present,
40.
ma'am.
41.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am. 41.
42.
Present, ma'am.
43. 43. 44.
Present, ma'am. 44.
45. 46. Sorry, 47. 47.
Present, ma'am. 47 present.
47 present.
Ma'am,
Okay. 48.
42 present, ma'am. Did you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah, I given.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
42
Ma'am,
present.
28 is also present. She couldn't unmute. She told me to tell you, ma'am.
28.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, given.
Thank you, ma'am.
47. 47.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Ma'am, I
45
just
present.
answered, ma'am.
47
47
present.
present.
Okay.
Uh,
Tanamma.
Ma'am, 55
Uh-huh.
present.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
45
thank you.
present. 47.
Present, ma'am. Present.
Okay, ma. 48.
Present, ma'am.
49. 50. 50. 50. 51. 51. 3 present. 13 present. Okay. 51. 52. 52. 53.
Ma'am,
53 is present, ma'am.
Okay, given. Next, 54.
Present, ma'am.
55. Chandana.
Present, ma'am. 55
56.
present.
Okay, next, Chaitra.
ma'am, 51 is present, ma'am.
Hmm.
Excuse me,
Given.
ma'am.
Yeah,
43 and
Ruchita.
50 is also present, ma'am. They couldn't unmute.
43 present. Then one more.
50, ma'am.
50.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, given. So Chaitra
Unmarked.
Ma'am,
56.
56 present, ma'am.
Chaitra present. Okay, next 57. 57 absent. 59 Sai Varshita absent. 60 Meghana absent. 61
Present, ma'am.
Nivedita. 62 Pavitra.
Present, ma'am.
63 absent. 64 Ruchita.
Ma'am, I'm present, 64. And even
64
59 is
present.
present. She told she's not able to unmute.
Okay, given.
Ma'am,
Varshita. Sai
57
Varshita.
present, ma'am.
Which number?
57. I couldn't unmute at that time, ma'am.
Okay, given.
Ma'am,
57.
roll number 3 is also present.
Yeah, given already. I saw in the
Okay,
chat box.
okay.
Ma'am,
Thank
even
you so much.
64.
28, ma'am. Ma'am, can
Yeah,
you hear
given.
me?
Given.
Okay,
28
thank you.
given. 64.
Ma'am, can you check 21?
21. Yeah, present. 64.
Ma'am, she answered.
Okay, 65.
Present,
Sanjana
ma'am.
Suresh.
Present, ma'am.
66. 66. 67. 67. 68.
Present, ma'am.
69. Yashashwini. 69. 70. 70. Aishwarya.
Present, ma'am. I'm 70
Anaga.
present. 70.
71. Anaga. Anaga. Vaishnavi. 73. Vaishnavi. Kritika 74, 74,
69 is present. She's not able to unmute.
74, 75.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, 67 is also present. She's put it in the chat box. She's not able to unmute.
Okay. 75 present. 64, 67 present. Okay. 75 absent. 76,
Present, ma'am.
77, 77 absent. 78 absent. 79.
79 present, ma'am.
Okay. Pratika, some number. 2928. 2928. Shalini. 2945. 2945. Shalini.
Ma'am, 78 is present, ma'am. Not able to unmute.
78.
Yes, ma'am. And 6 is also present, ma'am. I don't know if given.
6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The last one. 916.
Present,
7.
ma'am.
Yeah. So once I'll call you, whoever absent is there, check it out, any one of you. Only for the present absentees, I'll tell. Absentees. 4 absent, 12 absent, 23 absent, 24 absent,
Ma'am, 12 is
uh,
present, ma'am.
12
Ma'am,
is
Ma'am,
present.
24 is also
24 is
present.
present.
See, wait, I'm calling you order wise. You listen and then tell me, okay? Don't talk together, it will be confused, girls. 23 absent, 23 absent, 24 absent, 26
24
absent.
present, ma'am.
Like that you tell. Whenever your number will come, that time you talk, girls. 31,
Okay.
26 also absent, 31 absent, 39 absent, and then 49 absent, 60 absent,
49 is
Ma'am, 60
present.
present, ma'am.
50 present, 50,
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
60, ma'am.
60 na? 60 present. Okay, next.
50 present, ma'am.
63
60
absent.
present and 49 is also present, ma'am.
Your voice is breaking for
Ma'am,
me.
can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
49 is present, ma'am.
49. Okay, then 49.
63
That's
is
all, no?
present, ma'am. 63.
63 present. Okay, given. 66 absent. 71 absent. 73 absent. 74 absent. 75 absent.
74
77.
is present, ma'am. 74.
Oh, okay, given. 75 absent.
Ma'am,
77
71 is
absent.
also there. 71.
71.
Anuja
Given, ma.
present.
Hmm. And 2928 absent. 2945 Shalini absent. That's all. 23 present. Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am.
2928.
Can we
1 second.
meet?
2928.
Ma'am, 4
Okay.
is also present,
Yes, ma.
ma'am. 4 is present.
4. 4.
26 also, ma'am.
Ma'am, roll number 11 and 12 both are present, ma'am.
I given 11, 12. Present only it is there. 26 present. 26. 26.
Yes,
Girls,
ma'am. She's
leave.
texted on the
Yeah.
group.
Leave the class, ma. Honors batch. Answer your attendance. Honors batch. Abhilasha.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 2, 2.
Ma'am, 2 is present. She is not able to unmute.
Amulya. Next.
Yes, ma'am. Amulya present.
Present, no.
Yes,
Ananya.
ma'am.
And then 5, 5, 6,
Present, ma'am.
6 present.
Yes, ma'am.
7, Archana.
Present, ma'am.
Next is 8, Arochi. 8, 9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Present, ma'am.
Brinda. 11, 12, Chaitra. Diksha.
Excuse me,
13. Hmm,
ma'am. Ma'am, 11 present, Brinda.
11 present. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Diksha. 13. Fastma girls. 13. 14.
Present, ma'am. 14.
I'm 13
15.
present, ma'am. She can't unmute.
15. 16.
Present, ma'am.
16
16
present.
present. Yes, ma'am.
17. 17.
Present, ma'am.
8. 19. 19.
Present,
Gauri.
ma'am. 9. Present,
20.
ma'am.
Hmm, Gayatri. 20. 21.
Present,
20.
ma'am.
Gayatri. 21.
21 present, ma'am.
22. 22. Next 23.
Present, ma'am.
24. 24. Next 25. 26. Hindu Rakshita. 27 ma.
Present, ma'am. 27 present.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. 28. Isha. 28. 29. Isha M. 29. Both the Isha are present. 30. 30. 31.
Present, ma'am.
31.
30, ma'am, present. Ma'am, 30
22.
present.
Okay.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, 30 is
31
present
also,
and
ma'am.
32 is present.
Yeah. 31 present.
Ma'am, 30,
31.
31, 32, all three are present.
Okay. Next
Ma'am, 31
33.
is also present, ma'am. 31, I
Yeah,
told
I
you.
given, yeah. 30, 31, 32. I given. 33. 33. 35. 36.
Present, ma'am. 36 present.
37. 37. Absent. Manvita. 38.
Present, ma'am. 38.
39.
Present, ma'am.
40. Next. 40. 41.
Present,
40.
ma'am.
41 present.
41 present, ma'am.
40 absent. Next. 42. 42.
Present, ma'am.
42. Nandita. 43.
Present, ma'am.
44.
Present,
Neeraj.
ma'am. Present,
45.
ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
45.
Present, ma'am.
45 present.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 46. 46.
Present, ma'am.
47.
Present, ma'am.
49. 49.
47 present, ma'am.
Present,
Yeah,
ma'am.
given. 49. Is 49 present? 50, 50, 50,
Present.
50, 51,
50
Vinci,
present, ma'am.
50 present, 51, 51, 53. Girls, be fast, ma. You should answer. 54,
Present, ma'am.
55,
Present, ma'am.
57, 58.
57 present, ma'am.
Okay. 58, 60, 60, 61, 60 absent, 61, Shivani, 61 absent, 62,
Ma'am, she's
Present, ma'am.
present, not able to unmute her mic.
I do. Oh, okay. 64, 64.
Ma'am, she is present. I think she has network issues. Neha Menon.
Okay, okay, okay. Nanda Kumar, no? Sneha Nanda Kumar,
Yes, ma'am.
65. Mm. Next,
Present, ma'am.
65.
Present, ma'am. 65
Mm-hmm.
present, ma'am.
Okay, okay. 66,
Present, ma'am.
67. Tanushka, 67. 68,
Present, ma'am.
69, 69, 70,
Present, ma'am.
71, 71, 72, 72, 73.
Present, ma'am.
Next, 74, 74. Sonia Agrawal, 75. Meghana, 76. Meghana, 77, 77,
Ma'am, she's
70.
present.
Present,
She
ma'am.
can't unmute.
Present, ma'am.
Who's not? Tell me the number, ma.
77, ma'am.
77 present. Okay. 78,
Present, ma'am.
79, 80, 80, 81.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 82, 82. Once I'll call absentees. Just check it out once. 5 absent, 8 absent, 12 absent, 15 absent,
Ma'am, 12 is present, ma'am.
12 present. Okay. 15 absent, 20 absent, 22 absent, 24 absent, 25 absent, 26 absent, 28 absent,
Ma'am,
29
28 is
absent,
also present.
28 present.
Ma'am,
Okay.
28 is present.
Yeah, given. 33 absent, 35 absent, 37 absent, 40 absent, 42 absent, 49 absent, 51
Ma'am, 42
absent,
and 49 is present, ma'am.
42 present. Then one more number,
49.
49. Okay, given. 51 absent, 53 absent,
Ma'am, 53
50,
present.
53 present. Okay. Next, 58 absent, 60 absent, 61 absent, 67 absent, 69 absent, 71 absent, 72 absent, 74, 75, 76 absent, 80, 82 absent. That's all, no girls.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
67,
BCom professional, roll number 75, I'm present, ma'am. I'd answered that time, but my friend told that you'd called out my name for absentees again.
What's your number?
BCom professional, 75.
It's professional now.
Yes,
75.
ma'am.
75.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me,
Wait,
ma'am.
one second. One second. 75 professional. Okay, next.
Ma'am, BCom Honors, roll number 5, present, ma'am.
Oh, yes. Given. Next.
And ro-
Ma'am,
and roll
BCom
number
honors
24 and 40.
35.
Ma'am.
Any one of you, please talk me.
Ma'am,
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 35.
BCom
BCom
honors
BCom
Honors
honors
37
17 is
35.
present.
also present, ma'am.
If you talk together, I will put it in the chat box. Yeah,
Ma'am,
better.
BCom honors
Ma'am,
37
35.
present, ma'am.
35 and
We,
37 present.
I'm getting really confused. You put it in the chat
Ma'am,
box.
35 and 37 present. Honors 35
It,
and 37 present.
35. 35.
Yes, ma'am. She's
Okay.
present. She's not able to
35.
unmute.
35 and then
And 37. 37.
37. Okay. Done.
Ma'am, BCom honors 39
Ma'am,
present.
BCom Honors 70.
39.
Yes, ma'am.
Present only it is there.
Yeah.
Next.
Ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am.
74.
74. Which batch?
Ma'am, ma'am, 74.
Which batch?
BCom
Yeah.
Honors.
Yeah, given. Next.
BCom
Ma'am,
Honors
BCom honors
74.
22 and 40.
Which one? Which number? Tell me.
22 and 40 BCom honors.
22 and then
And 40. And 40.
40. Yeah, given.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Hmm. Then that's all, no?
Honors 74.
74. Which batch?
BCom
Which
Honors.
present only it is there, yeah. Present only.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. I'm leaving this meeting, girls. Thank you all.